and welcome back to the Tasha channel, where we typically thrift things, but today we have an unboxing from a Gucci product that I could not thrift. I could have thrifted the product, but the resale market was not showing me no love on the price of this bag, so I was like, I gotta just buy it from the store because I was not about to pay $100 more than what it costs, or just even $100 less. I mean, I'm not getting a deal on that, and that's the reason I thrift, because I can get a deal. You know, like, I mean, who wouldn't want a deal? Anywho, that is not why you clicked on this video, because you clicked on this video because you want to see an unboxing. Now, the essay did let me know. You see me all the way down in the corner? This is the bag that they gave me, but that's the new Gucci bag. It's green. It's supposed to be like environmentally friendly or something like that. So if you see the white bags floating around on YouTube, you know it's old. I'm just playing. Don't come for me, please. I'm just saying these are the new bags in the Gucci store. So yeah, and the envelopes are green too. This is like what the receipt comes in. Yes. And let's see what we have. Voila! Let's see. Get us a good shot. No, I'm just playing. But yes, this is the box. Let's take the top off. Oh, I should take the top off up here. And we have a Gucci dust bag in there. And let's see what we got. Shall we? Let's open this baby up. Bring it down. And we have the Gucci Marmont mini bucket bag. And when I say mini, it is mini, like it's mini. Yes, I've been loving this bag since I first laid eyes on it, and I was like, I'm getting this. I don't care. I want it. I looked for it for months. I couldn't get it for the price I wanted on the resale market, so I had to bite the bullet and go inside of the Gucci store and buy it outright. So yes, let's pull the tissue paper out, some little Gucci stickers or something. The paper is on the straps. It has the antique gold like the belt does. If you've seen like this same antique gold, is what's on the straps. And in the inside, smells good, but in the inside it has two leather pockets right there and a little key ring holder, like this little key ring holder for, you see that? So like, I guess put your keys on, but I would probably use my card holder and maybe put my debit card or something that I gotta like grab constantly in the card slot, because since I don't go anywhere typically, I'm out only thrifting or at the grocery store currently in this pandemic, I felt like I needed a crossbody bag. So yes, this is what I went and got. It's got the little heart on the back. It's got the little supple leather. The essay did let me know that the straps, she said you probably will never be able to tighten it and pull it like a drawstring for real. I'm pulling it tight and it's still not going. But that's okay, because my Speedy, I never zip it up. And yeah, because I always want to just like immediately stick my hand inside of it. So this is good for shopping, I'm assuming. I will wear it when I go thrifting, my next thrift extravaganza. And then I'll also wear it when I'm going to the grocery store, because that's all I do. What can fit in here? My cell phone, which is a iPhone 11. It just slips right inside of there. So that's big enough. I guess if you have a Max or the new one, it'll fit in there. And yeah, I'm probably not going to carry much in here because it'll be like my running out the house bag. Yes, that is pretty much what I wanted it for. I will get a bigger bag for bigger days. Yeah. But yes, I just wanted to hop on here and share this first Gucci purchase with you guys. Oh no, this is my second brand new Gucci purchase, because I bought a belt. I'll link that video up here somewhere. I did buy a belt. But yes, this is my first Gucci bag that I bought from the store. My other Gucci bag is a vintage bag that I got from a thrift store. So yes, I'm excited about this, and I'm excited that you clicked on to watch. So continue to support this channel, like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next week, I will see you again. Bye-bye.